Hey guys, let's create some billing statements together, which in ServiceMonster 6 is super easy and efficient. All right, so we're going to begin by going to Orders in the Navigator and selecting Billing, New Billing Statement. The statement date is always set to the current date. If you wanted to change this, super easy to do. Statement period limits the number of transactions shown between specific dates. If you desire to see only transactions from the last month, say, then you would set the dates here. And then, of course, there's this All Open Transactions option. This issues all unpaid invoices and credits against accounts. Next, we give you the option of targeting all accounts, one account, or a certain type of account. Pretty self-explanatory. You can also select what type of document ServiceMonster will generate for you: billing statements and invoices. Finally, you decide if you want to print or email the document. Once you've made your selections, click Next. The next page displays which accounts fell under the options we selected on the previous page. You can uncheck any accounts that you do not want to include on this billing cycle. Once you've finished, select Generate and View. This reveals your documents ready for printing. To print, simply select the printer icon. You also have the option of downloading the document. And remember, guys, if you have any more questions about billing statements, you can always rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.